come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Sit down, Orthi.
Thank you.
Orthi, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am also fine. What you have taken for the breakfast?
Rice and fish.
What is the part of this piece of fish?
Now,
Okay. অর্থ বলো তো বিয়োজন থেকে বিয়োজ্য বাদ দিলে কি থাকে কি পাওয়া যায়?
বিয়োগফল।
আমাদের গ্রাম কবিতাটির লেখক কে?
বন্দে আলী মিয়া।
বাক্য কাকে বলে?
কতগুলো শব্দ মিলিত হয়ে যদি সম্পূর্ণরূপে মনের ভাব প্রকাশ করে তাকে বাক্য বলে।
Orthi, you know water is very important for our life. We cannot live without water. So, say something about water.
Water is called life. All humans, animals, and plants need water to live. Oceans, rivers, rain, and ponds are the main sources of water. We need water every day. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and cleaning. Plants and trees also take water from their soil for their growth. The farmers use water to grow crops. So we cannot live without water.
Thank you, Orthi.
Welcome, sir.